Thank you, Sahil, for giving me this opportunity to talk in front of this forum. And during the lockdown, when I saw that one of the advertise that SI is conducting some of the programs, that is sales mastery, then team mastery, financial mastery. I was surprised. What is this? Then during this free webinar, just I came across with the Akshay set. Oh my goodness, what a wonderful that session. I have completed my sales mastery with the Akshay set. And then I came to know, being as an entrepreneur, just we are selling, we are not doing the marketing, or we are not going with some lead generations, we are not looking, we don't have a focus for the future. But when Akshay said has given so many mantras, how you can improve your company business. So that was wonderful. You need for your human resources, how you can look up that your team. And I think with that, earlier in my balance sheet, the salary, the employees, they were on to the liability side. But now I think my balance sheet is changed to the employees on the asset side. So this is one of the change. And when I came across with the Kalyanji, so Kalyanji has given us so much thought on the financial matters, because we grow the businesses, but at certain time you trap with the business, because SMEs always thought about the profitability, but they never thought about the business expansion. Because again, when you go with the business expansion, then you don't have a funds. But why you don't get the loans and the funds from the banking? Because you're not thinking on the balance sheet side. I think Kalyanji has given so much thoughts on the how to look up the balance sheet, how you can look for the your business, and I think it was amazing. Thank you, SIL, for conducting such a sessions, and we'll be continue our association with you. Thank you, Yogesh. I think Yogesh, you have done a wonderful role collecting so many masters under one roof and giving us the shelter. I will say that definitely you are doing the work to developing the entrepreneurs to achieve their goal. Thank you, SIL. Thanks. We will be again reconnect you forever. Thank you so much.